In steels, you get a complete count of steel and motors for your show in the chosen venue. Using the Units button in the top right corner, you can choose between metric and imperial. Select the available steel in 1 ton and 2 ton. By default, all steel in the list are selected, and stack chain is set to 4 inches 16 links. Any chain can be adopted. Simply specify the type of the chain, the amount of links, and the total length of the available chain. In accessories, you get a complete count of shackles, master links and burlaps. In steels, you have a workload limit button at the top left side. In workload limit, you can choose the workload limit of the steel and number of shackles in 2-ton bridles. All bridles are instantly recalculated when changes are made in the steel screen. You can also export the steel count as a PDF.